Hello friends, I am going to start tutorial on 7th standard mathematics subject NCERT book CBSE board. I am going to start from chapter 1 integers. Guys, this chapter includes the details of the integers that is useful as pre-algebra study material. Okay friends, let's recall what you have studied before about integers. Let's start from what is integer. To understand integer, we need to understand the whole number. So guys, what are the whole numbers? Friends, whole numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so on up to infinity. Guys, these are the whole numbers. Okay, and what is integer? Integer is whole number plus negative numbers. So guys, what it will be? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so on up to infinity. These are the whole numbers. And what are the negative numbers? -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, so on up to minus infinity. So guys, integer is both whole numbers plus negative numbers. Okay, so guys, here we have a number line that includes positive numbers, negative numbers. These are the integers. Whole numbers plus negative numbers both are there. So guys, let's learn to arrange it in ascending and descending order. Okay, so guys, here on this number line we have the highest number with the highest value is 10, and number with the lowest value is -9. Guys, 0 we have is at center. If we increase the value of the numbers, we are moving towards the right side on this line, and while moving towards the right side, the highest number we have is 10, and at the left side we have minus numbers. So these numbers has value less than 0, and it is in increasing order while we move further on left side. And here the highest number is -9 on this line, which has the lowest value. Okay, so let's do first ascending number. Okay guys, ascending number is we have to take lowest value number first, and then we have to increase the numbers. Okay, so what we have lowest is -9, then -5, then -1, then we have 0, then 3, then 6, then 8, then 10. So here is ascending order of the numbers on the number line. Okay, and descending number is just opposite of that, because we are going to write highest value number first. So it will be 10, 8, 6, 3, 0, -1, -5, -9. So guys, this is the way we can arrange it in ascending and descending numbers. So next guys, we are going to learn addition and subtraction of the integers on the number line. Okay, so let's do that. Okay, here we are going to do addition and subtraction of the number line on the number lines. So guys, let's take example and understand. Let's take example of addition. Okay, so we have number 2 plus 3, means we are adding 3 numbers on the 2. So guys, obviously we know answer is 5. This is a simple addition. Okay, but let's see how it works on the line. So guys, here we have number 2 on the line, and we are adding 3 into. Okay, so let's add 1, 2 and 3. While addition we have to move at the right side on the number line, and while subtraction we have to move towards left side on the number line. So remember this. So here we have 5 is answer. Okay, let's take one more example. Okay, let's take from the negative numbers, -4 plus 2. Okay guys, here we have -4 and we are doing addition, so we have to move at the right side from the number. So let's move two steps. Okay, and what we get? -2. Okay, so what is the answer? It's -2. Okay, let's do another example. -2 plus 2. Okay guys, we have -2 here, and we are moving towards right side from -2. Okay, 1 2. What is there? It's 0. So answer will be 0. So addition is done. I hope you guys understand it. So guys, let's do subtraction. Okay, let's take some examples of subtraction and learn. Okay, okay guys, let's take example of from 3. Okay, 3 minus 4. Okay guys, let's do 3 minus 4. We have 3 over here and we are doing subtraction. So guys, as we discussed, in subtraction we have to move towards the left side from the number. Okay, so we have 3 over here, we are subtracting 4 from the 3, so we are going to move towards the left side on the number line. So 1 2 3 and 4, and here is the answer. So 3 minus 4 is -1. Okay, let's take one more example to understand it. Okay, okay, 1 minus 2. Okay guys, here we have 1, we are moving 2 step to the left side. 1 2, what we get is -1. So guys, this is the way we can do addition and subtraction on the number line. So guys, next we have is properties of addition and subtraction of integers. So guys, let's talk about the properties, and here we have first property is closure under addition. Okay guys, when two integers are added, and if we get integer as answer, then it is closure under addition for the integers. Guys, for the whole numbers, if we add two whole numbers, we always get the whole number as an answer. Same as if we add two integers and we get the integer as an answer, then it's closure under addition for the integers. So guys, let's take example and understand. We have integer is -10. Let's add 3 in 10 in -10. What we get? -7. So guys, here we have -7 is answer. We added two integers and what we got? -7 is also an integer. So guys, this proves that this is closure under addition for the integer. Okay, the next property we have is closure under subtraction. Same as addition, guys, we added two integers in addition. Now we have to see for the subtraction. So we are going to subtract two integers, and if we get the integer as an answer, then this property is closure under subtraction for the integers. Okay guys, so let's do this with the example. Okay, let's take an example 1 17. Okay, 17 minus 21. Okay guys, what we get? We will get answer is 38. So this is an integer. Let's take another example. Second example, guys, minus 8 minus 14, and what we get? We get 6 is also an integer. We added 20, we subtracted 2 integer and answer is integer. Let's do another example. Minus 21 minus 10. Okay, so what we will get is minus 11. Again, this is an integer. So guys, when we add two integers, we get an integer. So this is closure under subtraction. Okay, so guys, let's move further and learn about another properties. Two properties we have learned. One is closure under subtraction, one is closure under addition, and the next we are going to learn about is commutative property, associative property, and additive identity. So these are the properties, and next property we are talking about is commutative property. So guys, we are going to find is addition is commutative for the integers. If we have a and b, two integers, it should be a plus b is equal to b plus a, then it is called commutative to the integers. So guys, let's understand from the example. Okay, let's take one example, 5 plus minus 6. So guys, answer will be minus 1. Okay, and if we do it another way, if we just rotate like a plus b, here it is rotated b plus a, this both should be equal. Now if this is a and b, we have to do now b plus a, so we will do minus 6 plus 5. So guys, what answer we get is also minus 1. So guys, this proves that it is commutative to the integers. Addition is commutative to the integers. So a plus b is equal to b plus a. Okay guys, next we have is associative property. Okay, so in associative property, what we have to understand is, let's take a b c and understand. Okay, we have three integers a plus, we are doing addition of the three integers b plus c. Okay, this way we can do, or we can do a plus b plus c. Okay, so this both answer if we get same, then it is associative to the integers. Okay, in one case we are doing addition of the b plus c in bracket, we are putting these two integers in bracket to get the answer, and in another condition we are putting a and b in bracket, that means we are going to separate it and do addition. Okay, so let's take an example. Let's take three integers. One is minus 5 plus minus 3 plus minus 2. Okay guys, so this is in bracket. Okay, this is 5, this looks like 3, but this is 5. Sorry for the bit handwriting. Okay guys, let's calculate it. This is minus 5, and let's calculate this first. Minus 5 plus 3 plus minus 3 plus minus 2 is also a minus 5. So guys, what will be the answer? Answer will be minus 10. Okay, do this another way. Let's do this another way. Okay, so now let's put this in bracket. Minus 5 plus minus 3. Okay, so this is our a plus b in bracket plus c. C is minus 2. We have c is minus 2. Okay, so what will we get? Here we get minus 8 plus minus 2, and answer we get minus 10. Answer is minus 10. So guys, this and this we tried doing another way with the same value, and answer we get is same. So this property is associative to the integers, we can say. And guys, next property is additive identity. Okay, for additive identity guys, let me say, when we add 0 to the whole numbers, we get the same number as answer. For example, if if we add 0 to the 5, what answer we get? 5. So same answer we are getting 5 5, like this. If we take integers and see, if we get the same answer what we have take as an integer, and we added 0 to integer, and if we get the same answer, then it is additive to identity to the integers. Let's take an example, minus 8 plus 0. So guys, what we get? Answer will be minus 8 only. So same answer we are getting. Another, okay, minus 23 plus 0. What will we get? Minus 23. So guys, this is also the same. So it is additive identity to the integers. So guys, what we learned today? Addition and subtraction on the number line. Then we learned properties of the addition and subtraction. Okay guys, so next we are going to learn about multiplication of the integer. Then we will learn about properties of the multiplication of the integer. Okay, so that will be covered in part 2. I am uploading the next video after this. Okay, bye, see you then.